Justin. I'm working on a piece of medieval armor, more for the artistic point of view. I have a passion to create medieval and other sort of metalworking that isn't used today. Anyways, I'm almost done with this. Just gotta put the sides on, and it should be pretty awesome.
Did you design your helmet yet?
I did.
Where's your helmet, Woody?
I actually have an example over here. Made out of cardboard, prototype. This part's gonna open up. It's pretty awesome.
Very cool, Woody. Is there anything else you'd like to add about the welding program?
It's pretty awesome. I love to weld.
Thank you, Woody.